Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a Google account to your Android TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you want to download more apps, use Chromecast and other features, you will need to sign in to a Google account on your Android TV. If you don't have any Google accounts added already, you can quickly add one by opening the Play Store. You will then be prompted to sign in to a Google account. If you already have a Google account added and you want to add another one, start by going to the home screen on your TV. From the home screen, move to the top right and click on Settings. In Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll get to the Accounts section. You can now sign in to your Google account with your email and password. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android TV tips and tricks.